All right. So I was taking notes. Please repeat.
Repeat what? What am I supposed to
Okay.
repeat?
So the structure of the notes that we were talking about, because I was saying days ago when you were doing the decoding process, there's a step in the decoding process that a lot of people are going to miss. Now you're going back through and doing it, right? All
Yeah,
you
I'm taking the the Michael. Okay, I'm taking the letter of the name, and I'm matching it up alchemically to what its substance is. Like M is aluminum. Okay, so the discovery date was 1825. It was discovered by Hans something there. I don't know. I can't really see backwards, but you get the drift. Okay,
right.
and you do that about the whole name. That way you find out the alchemical process and what you're made of and where they derived, what they derived from. Like you're actually digging into, it's not, I don't believe in coincidences, and it's not by happenstance that my mom wanted an angel and then decided to get me, and boom, there's Michael. You know what I
Right.
mean? There's so much more than that. Like when you understand how a person is made biochemically, like we are made of 6 neutrons, 6 protons, and 6 electrons. Like we are a walking battery. Like when you can get in tune with that power, not just intaking it but also pushing it out and manifesting things, like notes like these on alchemically what you're made of. That way when you do your magic, you know what gates to open per astrology from the times of your planets that you were born. Like layers are good, but layers are also very informative. Like they tell you what you need for certain things on your life's path. You know what I mean? Like it's not, I don't believe in coincidences. I'm a hermetics teacher, so I didn't just fall into this path for nothing. Like I had some general knowledge that I picked up along the way from different mythologies and different techniques of teaching, and like now they're all being put into use at one time, and I'm seeing that. And as I go back and study and decode who I really am, it just puts more validation to I am the divine sorcerer.
I very much agree. I very much agree because it's when we go through this process of understanding, like everybody is their own internal divinity, right? This is how we learn what it is we do or we're supposed to do. Okay. This is why we use these foundations.
Right.
Why do we stick with a base 8 instead of a base 9 for our number system using Chaldean numerology? They believed that 9 was so sacred that they wouldn't use it. So that's why we only have 1 through 8. And so 1 through 9 is the Pythagorean system. So that's where your number differences are going to be, folks. So just be aware in like that as to why there are divergences in systems. So just fun fact that I found out because I had that very same question. Anyway, stay safe and the next